You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name of varied origin, once and for all correctly derived from the words elm and Owen, meaning loved. In English, therefore, the most common pronunciation from Cornish, Elowen. Elowen. Are you Elowen? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Elowen, let us know. Let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.